Okay, we are going to have a look at yesterday's trade signals or trade ideas sent into this Trade Ideas Mentorship channel in Discord. So we had three ideas yesterday. We'll go through them, and this will be a full tutorial on how to trade these signals. Okay, first one was the CAD yen. Let's just go to the actual idea. So this is it. CAD yen set a bullish momentum sync alert for a buy opportunity. Very, very simple. Easy to follow. So that was what I posted. So let's have a quick look at that. All right, buy alerts kicked in. So all we have to do is just set the alert and take the trade. It can't be any easier than that. If you're looking to pass your prop firm challenge, this is absolutely where it's at. Okay, so this was through the London session. We had this buy alert. Let's take it. All right, just go for a 3-hour target by default. Keep it simple, I should say, because we come in here as soon as we post this. You got plenty of time. Okay, when you see it come in, all you need to do is go to this indicator, add alert, and it's a buy alert, buy signal only. Select that once per bar. Let it make some noise in your phone app. Play some sound. Create. I won't do it because it's done and dusted now. And then when it goes off, just come straight in and take that trade right there. Stop loss. I've been talking about this green shaded zone through here, and then you've got these green dots. And in the last couple of videos I've mentioned just halfway through this level, this range I should say, is okay, depending on your preferences. But that would be if you were looking for an intraday trade down in here. But if you're looking for a day trade, I would go halfway through. All right. So your stop loss, well, your entry and stop loss is taken care of. Just set this up at about 3R. And then once you open this trade, you come in here to the trend channel and you're going to set your exit or TP at alert and mouse over that. See this TP exit bullish trade? All right, that's once per bar, and make it set it up so it makes a different sound so you know the difference. And you can just set this up to go off on your TradingView app on your phone. When it goes off, just come straight in, right? So you've got one TP level here. Now you could look to take 50% off if you want, and then you move your stop loss up now to the green dots, and then you follow these green dots. All right, now there's another alert here. You might want to close that. So that was a 2R outcome. Really nice. That's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. You know, if you're looking for quality trade signals to grow your account or pass your prop firm challenge, I mean, I really don't think it gets much better than this. We've had a really, really good result with these signals in here. Okay, so the next one was the pound dollar. Look, set a bullish momentum sync for a buy opportunity only if CPI data is positive for the pound. Well, actually, I've got a result for that. So CAD yen, okay, pound dollar. CPI data came out negative. So there's no trade. Just leave it alone. Just walk away from it. And the third one was Aussie CAD set a green. This is a green line crossing over bearish. Green line crossing over bearish. Okay, for a sell signal. So we're looking for this green line to cross over the red line down in here. All right, so it's all spelled out. So if we have a look at that Aussie CAD, that was on a 30-minute chart. Open that up and you'll see here that, and you set that alert. It's a green crossover red. So that actually happened. Yeah, the 15-minute went off back in here. That would have got you in up in here. But I did send it in on the 30-minute chart. So you've got to go with the time frame. So on the 30M, yeah, it was a bit later. Okay, it happened here, right there on that candle there. And there's your exit signal there. Simple how to set this alert. Just go in here, click the 3 dots, and it's a green crossover red. See this? Green crossover bearish. There you go. And once per bar, create. So these 3 yesterday, what a nice outcome. If you follow this exactly, you're going to do really, really well. Gain access, guys. It's discounted. The links are on my website, anthonyfx.com. And with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.